Hey guys, we are the Wickmans. My husband quit his job and we sold all of our things so we could spend more time together, travel the world, and learn new cultures. Join us as we navigate our lives in many beautiful new places.
Mama,
What?
I really will miss this house.
You're not excited to go to our new house?
Yeah.
You are, but you're gonna miss this one?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna miss all the big geckos?
Yeah. And my baby lizard.
I know, Mommy is so excited about going to the new house. I am so excited about having an indoor kitchen and an indoor living room. The only thing I'm not excited about is packing up this entire house right now. Daddy and I didn't even realize we were moving today until last night when it was a little too late to start packing, and the days just kind of like run together. You ready to go move, Bubba? Yeah. Did I mention how excited I am about getting a regular size refrigerator?
Let's take that and stay on the road.
That's so cute. Let's do it, guys.
All right, guys, today's the day. We're moving to the new house. I'm not sure I'm as excited as Mom is, but we're fired up about it. Get ready to check out the new place. We got so much stuff to move. We got a lot to do.
I'm just upset because we're missing Kenna's graduation right now. My niece McKenna is graduating from high school today, and I hate that we're not getting to be there to watch her. Can you tell Kenna congratulations on graduating?
All right, Mama Bear, this is your last outdoor cooking experience here in Bali. How do you feel about it?
I feel happy about the fact that this is the last time I'll be getting literally mauled by mosquitoes while I cook us breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But I will miss this house. I love this house, and we've had so many beautiful memories here. And sorry, I'm a little emotional because I just watched my niece at her graduation and we're not there, and this is one of the first big things that we're missing on our trip. And we are big family people, so we're usually always at things like this, so it definitely hurts, but we're really happy for her. Congratulations, Kenna.
Yeah, Kenna, you! One of my favorite parts about moving is collecting all your stuff and then moving it. Are you gonna help me pack up, Bubba?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. He's ready for speed.
Yeah.
Yeah! He loves wearing those goggles. It's hilarious.
I'm ready for speed.
Woohoo! Are you ready for speed?
Yay!
All right, it's been hectic here this morning. Just got the kids' clothes all packed up, about to pack up shoes. Excuse me, sir, can we not chew on them? Packing up shoes. We have all of our clothes here. We have a big bag of kids' toys, diapers. Still have to get all of our vitamins and medicines and huge thing of sea glass and shells. We still have a lot to do, but we're getting it done. Whew. Packing day is never that much fun, especially when your kid's yelling at you the whole entire time.
So we're about halfway packed up. Almost got everything put together. Still got to load the car. Still got to take it over to the new house. They said we could check in around noon. So we're just gonna keep on getting everything ready and then head on over. Just got all the dishes done. Probably have to bring these two with us. We're gonna make some smoothies before we leave. All this has got to go. All that stuff over there's got to go. All the stuff inside the room's got to go. We got plenty of stuff got to go inside this tiny little car. We might have to take a few trips, but it's all good. We're taking a little halftime break and getting a little snack. So Mama made us some smoothies.
Yum, some yellow watermelon smoothies. Let's see how these kids like that. Here's yours. What do you say? Here's a yellow watermelon smoothie.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers to moving day.
Woo.
Cheers.
Moving day, best day of the year.
We're gonna have a lot of those coming up.
Yeah, we are. Cheers. 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 Y'all ever seen a watermelon look like that? Pretty crazy, right? You like it? What do you like more, mine or yours?
I want yours.
You want to trade?
Yep, trade. you this tray.
You want a tray with me? You like mine better?
Hey, Dada, are you playing with my balloons?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Can you do it when you did to our new house?
Yep.
Okay. Remember Wednesday you did this at Grandpa's house?
Yeah, it was fun, wasn't it?
That was fun.
All right, we got the first load all loaded up. Fixing to head over, drop it off, and come back and take another load. I think it'll probably maybe take probably 2 loads. We should be able to do it.
Our new house.
Not yet, but we're on our way.
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yep.
I just hope it's everything that we think it is.
Yeah, for real. Pulling into our new neighborhood.
Pretty crazy. Bubba's about to pass out. That's why he's crying like that. Hi.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh. What?
Honey, we're
is
home.
this? Oh my goodness. And it's cheaper? What?
Look at this.
I'm blown away. Wow, how about that change of scenery? This is next level compared to what we've just been dealing with. Sorry, Rena, we love you. House was nice, but this is unbelievable. Holy moly.
Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness, the rice fields. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. All right, Rena's Kubu. This is our last trek down the driveway. It's been real and it's been fun, but it's been filled with big geckos and I'm done.
Whew. Finally got the board bag up there. Look at the size of this thing. It's got my whole life in there for the next year, or as long as we can last. I barely got any room on this thing. I almost didn't get these things tightened down. Honestly, if we were going a long ways, I don't know if I'd trust that. I got some ratchet straps though, so I'll be able to fix that problem. Got a few more things to tighten up and we're gonna be out of here. First house down. Hopefully many more to come. Gonna do a little final walkthrough and that's gonna be it for this place. On to the next one. It looks pretty sweet. Not gonna lie, I can't wait to get there. Oh, what's crazy is we've already made so many memories in that short period of time that we've stayed here. Hopefully the next house will be even more and more and more and more. So we're super excited and on to the next chapter.
Peace out, big old geckos.
Yeah, see you later, geckos. We'll see you here in 200 yards when we get to the next house. Sorry, Bubba's crying. He's trying to go night-night. He's a little fussy right now. But to our knowledge, that's gonna be the last time we come down that road. Pretty crazy.
A little emotional?
We may come back to visit, but I don't know. Could be a long time.
This is our new road. Oh, it has pool table. If they have filtered ice, we're gonna go have drinks and pool.
Okay.
When I say drinks, I mean like cold Coca-Colas with ice. It's our new house. One gate closes, another gate opens. What'd you get? Wow, so many toys here. Wow, you got a JBL speaker? Oh, what'd you get? Wow, lipstick. This place is literally insane.
I can't tell you how nice it is to have a couch, let alone all the other stuff that's here. I never knew how much a couch would mean to me. This is crazy. Allie was like, we absolutely love the other house. I'm like, a little strong. I like you being nice, but a little strong there.
I just feel bad because I don't want people to think that like we were ungrateful for the house that we had there. Like, it was a nice house.
I don't think the kids are happy.
You know how happy Mama is. We have an oven. That's my surprise because I didn't even know we had an oven.
So my surprise is that this place is actually as nice, if not nicer, than advertised. We've stayed at a lot of houses that in the pictures it looks really nice, and when you get there, it's just whatever, to say the least. Yeah, this is maybe better than I expected. We were living in one room with one bed, with one bathroom, with nothing but a sink in it and a mini fridge out in the kitchen, 2 burners. They did have like a toaster oven, a little tiny toaster microwave. So Mom, did we need to bring the spatulas and pans with us or what?
No. Come over here though. Look at this. I've never seen this. It's kind of crazy. Are you ready to go check out upstairs?
Yeah.
All right.
Check our rooms out.
Rooms in the balcony. Let's go.
Looks like Bubba can get out, right?
No. That's pretty safe for Bubba.
There's a pool down
That
there.
sounds good.
That's our pool. Alright, go check it out, girl.
My bed.
Yep, that will be your bed, and this will be me and Daddy's bed.
Wow.
You and brother will sleep on this bed. Pretty nice, right?
Yeah, it's very nice.
We can put this right here next to our bed, and then they can't fall off. Go check out the bathroom. Let's go see it.
This is where our bathroom is.
Yep. Wow. Holy moly. Anything different. Alright. Nice closet.
Mama, let's go to the other bedroom.
So the only negative that I'm seeing right now is that all of our stuff's gonna be put up nicely, and I'm gonna know the difference between clean clothes and not clean clothes.
That's a negative, huh?
Yeah, because right now I'm just wearing stuff.
And I have to tell him, babe, you wore that like 3 days in a row.
You!
The people are gonna eat you up in the comments for that.
Mama, I'm in this room.
Alright, let's check it out. Oh no. Alright, can I have it?
It's a pool.
A king size bed would be nice.
So this is the master bedroom. I don't think we'll be staying in here much. We will not leave our kids in a room without us.
Okay, but not just any room. It's the fact that it has an exterior door and we can't even get to it without a key.
We're just weird parents.
Oh, it's weird if you want to, but I don't like the thought of somebody else possibly having a key to their room and us being on this side of them. Nah. This is our new view from the balcony. Nice table. It's so nice to have such a good breeze right here too. All right, let's see what the new outdoor area is looking like. Wow, that's nice. Little swing. Beautiful pool overlooking the rice field. Oh, let's take a little bathroom out here. Nice. I was just saying how I didn't think that there was a toilet in the downstairs area.
So while I was sitting here editing, I was literally like, I had to look around for a second. So I was like, I feel like I'm at the house. Oh, that's how comfortable we are here.
I'm just out here enjoying our new backyard, and I wanted to show you guys this. All of these vines hanging down from our balcony have these beautiful flowers, and they're falling into the pool and going over the edge. It's so beautiful. Hi.
Hi, pretty girl. You like your new house?
Yep. All of these were these kids are here, and they're like, when you just drive through them say, "Meow."
So if you don't know what she said all these local kids, when you drive through them down the road, they go, "Phew!" Wonder why they do that.
Them learn it from us.
They definitely learned it from us. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Moving day was definitely a success. Loving the new house and excited for the next few weeks. So like always, like and subscribe. You!